has got the next question and asking this question from West Bengal. In the hospitality space, Chalet Hotels is the acquisition and 981 is the buy price. Is there an IPO this week in the hospitality space?
Yes, it's Ventive Hospitality,
Ventive.
which is
Okay,
coming out
and
with
so there are a
IPO.
number of options available, Avinash, in the hospitality space now. Is Chalet the best one to hold? And quite a few of them are morphing their strategies to that franchisee model rather than owning their own keys, right? Avinash? Yeah.
Alex,
Yeah.
largely because I think recently some reports have come in that hotel room average ARRs have shot up again, and I think this being the festive season, you could see a lot of these kind of news flows coming in, but largely because supply side, there's been a big crunch of availability of rooms. And I think almost all the hotels should do well. I think, if you talk about Chalet hotels or the market leader Indian hotels or even ITC hotels, which is now going to be demerged very soon, I think there is a very good opportunity for investors to, park their money here and look at it, from a slightly medium to long term horizon. So I think not only FY25, but even FY26 should be significantly better. Chalet is definitely looking promising, but I think if one were to look at Indian hotels, it trades at around 840, 850 odd rupees. So I think here the propensity to show a disproportionate increase in profit is significantly high, considering their geographical reach and the size at which they operate. So Indian hotels could be a much better bet if one were to look at the next 12-15 months.
All right, so prefer Indian hotels is the view from Avinash. Shravan Kumar from Hyderabad is calling us. Shravan, good morning to you and season's greetings. How can we help you today?
Yeah, hi, hi team. So actually, I'm looking for the KPIT Technologies. So
Okay.
I have actually bought 140 shares at 1553.
Okay.
So now it is currently down at like I think 5 to 6%. So can I hold for the short term? I mean, how it will be like? I have also seen that some of the acquisitions from the company announced December 13th, December 8th it seems. So I mean, what would be the view for it? Could you please tell me that? I mean, I'm looking for short term. Yeah.
Oh, you're looking for short term, but then you've been paying attention to the fundamental update. So, is that the reason why you bought, or is the price action the reason you bought, Shravan?
I bought because of the fundamental. I could see that there is a lot of growth in coming days. That's what I said. But I'm just surprised that it is keep on getting down. So that's what the thing.
So let me ask you this: if you bought based on the fundamentals, when did you buy?
I think it's been 7 days. I mean 10 days only. Yeah.
Okay.
7 days.
So would you be willing to hold for more than a year if the advice were to be that?
Yeah, I'm looking for 6 months. Is it fine?
Okay. Okay. All right. So generally, if you are buying for the fundamentals, the view is that you should be willing to hold for the longer term. So let me take your question to Brijesh on the technicals and to see what the prospects are for the next 6 months. Brijesh, bought at levels of 1,519. What are the prospects on the upside?
So, if I look at the monthly time frame, I can see that for the last 4-5 months there has been selling, and this stock is coming to the demand zone. So 1350, 1350 is the level where it has taken a support for the multiple times. So even though even in the this current month the low was 1340. So this 1340, 1350 is a level where this particular stock is finding support. So the time frame is very small, and we are talking of only another 6 months, 6 to maybe 8 months kind of time frame. 1350 should be the stop loss for this long position, because just in case if 1350 is taken down, I believe this can go back to 1200 levels. But then still, if we willing to take that long bet and do some averaging near 1200, that is advisable. Or else, if he sees a close below 1350 on a closing basis, he need to review his position.